Here's how you can turn raw financial data into clear insights and actionable forecasts using Analyst in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Select Analyst from the Agents menu. Use the plus icon to upload a file with your financial data. Ask Analyst to review your data and highlight forecasts, risks, and opportunities. After a few minutes, Analyst creates an analysis of your financial data. Keep asking Analyst for insights or request an interactive dashboard. Open the link to check out your interactive dashboard in Excel. Use your dashboard for collaboration or to share insights with stakeholders.